driving to? Can you honk the horn? Can you honk the horn? Hey! Where are you gonna drive? What song is that?
This is my car.
I love your car.
Yeah, my car?
Yeah. Looks like a doodle bug.
What you doing about?
That's what your car looks like.
My car?
Uh-huh. Is it a doodle bug?
No.
What is it?
It's a car.
Oh. I see. What else does your car do?
Drives the wheel.
It drives the wheel. What else?
Happy a little sir.
Think I can fit in there, little ma'am? I don't know.
Daddy's in there.
He can?
Yeah.
You fit in the back seat?
Yeah, I'm in the back seat.
Does he have to ride in a car seat?
Yeah.
Oh, is that the little sir?
Over here.
What's that?
Huh?
What is that?
It's a light.
On a camera.
Ready to drive. I'm back in my car.
You have road rage? What is it?
Ow.
Is your doodle bug too little?
Huh?
Is your doodle bug too small?
No. Look at these now. These now.
The moth.
It's trash. Through the air. In the bookstore. And the pouches. Come right here. Hey, you pass a seat. Pass a seat, Ben.
You think I can fit?
Yeah.
I don't know. I might be too big to fit in that back seat.
I'll put it back.
Who are you going to put in the back?
This is one put it back. Top.
Poor bunny.
He's not crying. He's silly.
He is silly. Are you silly?
No.
Who's silly?
Trading.
Clayton is? Are you going to his birthday party Saturday?
Yeah. You want to trash my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
I don't. Who drives it?
Trading.
Clayton will drive it.
He's just fine to see.
Huh?
This is see.
You got a bunny for a passenger.
On your seat. This is mine. That's mine. That's mine.
What does it do?
Shake it.
You shake it? Does it make you go faster?
Yeah. Make it go faster. You know, move. Oh, ordered. I got it up.
Is there somebody riding your rear? They're not. What is it?
There's a car.
I like that song. Huh? You ready to get out?